already, being a person who lives in Pennsylvania, a mile from the New York border in the upper Delaware River Basin, being very much both a Pennsylvanian and a New Yorker, having watched the tale of two states unfold, that I'm incredibly proud of the people in New York for fighting the way they have fought. Or I should say the way we have fought, right? But in many, many ways, I'm more proud of the people in Pennsylvania. Pennsylvania saved New York, right? Because it was people from Dimmock and people from Washington County, Greene County, and Fayette County, and Pittsburgh, that came to New York and said, you gotta figure out how to get to PA and see what's going on here.
Water's on fire! We don't want your toxic gas! Let the corporations burn! Obama! We don't need this fracking drama! Obama! We don't need this fracking drama! Obama! We don't need this fracking drama!
The Pennsylvania State Constitution commands that every government official in this state, at every level of government, including the governor's office, must protect the people's right to pure water, clean air, and a healthy environment. The science, the facts, the experiences in communities where shale gas extraction is happening today make very clear that our environmental rights cannot be honored if Pennsylvania allows shale gas extraction, drilling, and fracking to continue. The other thing that Governor Wolf has said throughout his campaign is he only wants and he will only allow drilling to the extent that you can make it safe. Right? He said you can engage in drilling and fracking as long as we can have in place regulations that make it safe. The message of today is you can't make shale gas extraction, you can't make drilling, you can't make fracking safe. So if he wants to comport with his campaign promises, he has to ban fracking now in the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania.
We are unstoppable! A statewide ban is possible! We are unstoppable! A statewide ban is possible! We are unstoppable! A statewide ban is possible!
Remember those days when the gas companies' lips were moving and they were lying, and you didn't believe it. And you started pressuring and pushing people and going to your town boards, going to your local officials, to the DC. You hit a brick wall in Pennsylvania because of the politics at the time. But we won in New York. There's still work to be done there. We did something that we didn't think was possible back then. Everybody was telling all of us, it's Chesapeake, Exxon, get the best lease you can get. That's the best thing you can do. There's no way you're going to stop it. That's baloney. We stopped it. We stopped them because, and for the same reason, that this is a historic moment for Pennsylvania. And the people in this room and the people that are out in the street today are going to change history. Because they're not going to believe what industry says.
We don't want this fracking drama.